What if I told you that some of the deadliest killers on earth don't have claws, teeth or venom, but leaves, petals and roots? Yes, I'm talking about plants. They look innocent, they grow quietly, but hidden inside them are poisons powerful enough to kill a human in minutes. From trees that cause excruciating pain for days to flowers that paralyze your muscles until you stop breathing. Today we are exploring the most dangerous plants in the world you did not know about. So buckle up, because by the end of the video you will never look at a simple leaf the same way again. Plants are the lungs of our planet. They give us oxygen, food and beauty. But among more than 400,000 plant species, a small group evolved not to nature but to defend and destroy. These are nature's silent assassins. Let's dive deep into the dark side of the plant's kingdom, starting with a killer that looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. Number 1. Oleander, the beautiful killer. Found in the gardens all over the world, Nerium oleander looks stunning. Pink, red, white flowers waving gently in the breeze. But don't be fooled, every single part of this plant, leaves, stem and even its nectar is deadly. Just one leaf can be fatal to a human. Its poison, oleandrin, disrupts the heart's rhythm, leading to cardiac arrest. What's worse, some people have died simply from using sticks of oleander to roast food or campfires. It's a perfect example of how beauty can hide death. Number 2. Suicide tree, Cabra odlam, native to India and parts of Southeast Asia. This plant is known as the suicide tree. Its seeds contain a toxin called sabirin, which stops the heart. For years, it's been used in untraceable poisonings because its symptoms mimic natural heart failure. In Kerala, India, dozens of mysterious deaths have been linked to this tree. Even its name, Sabira, comes from the mythological dog guarding the gates of hell. Coincident? Probably not. Number 3. The Manchineel tree, the tree of death. If you ever visit the Caribbean or Florida, you might come across a small tree with sweet green fruits that looks like apples. But beware, this is the Manchineel tree, officially the most dangerous tree on earth. Standing beneath it during rain can cause your skin to blister. Its sap burns flesh, blinds eyes, and if you dare to eat the fruit, it can kill you within hours. Locals mark these trees with red warning signs. Christopher Columbus once called its fruit death apple. Now we know why. Number 4. The Gympie tree, the pain plant. Deep in the rainforest of Australia grows a plant so painful even soldiers fear it more than bullets. It's called the Gympie tree. Touching its leaf feels like being electrocuted and burned at the same time. Its fine hairs inject a neurotoxin that causes pain for months, even years. One scientist described sensations as like being burned by acid and electrocuted at once. Some victims could not bear the pain and reportedly ended their lives. Just one brush can change your life forever. Number 5. The deadly nightshade, belladonna, used by the Roman assassins and medieval witches. Belladonna, meaning beautiful woman, hides its poison behind pretty purple flowers and black berries. Even a few berries can kill a child. It causes hallucinations, paralysis, and finally death by heart failure. In the 16th century, women used drops from this paint to make their pupils dilate, considered attractive at the time, but they don't know they were slowly poisoning themselves. Number 6. Rosary pea, the seed of death. They look like shiny red beads, often used to make jewelry in tropical countries, but these seeds contain abrin, one of the most lethal toxin known to man. It's 75 times more deadly than resin. Just one seed, if its coating breaks, can kill a person within 36 hours. Ironically, their beauty has made them more dangerous. People wear them around their necks, not knowing a single crack could be their last mistake. Number 7. Water hemlock, the cowbane. This innocent looking plant grows in wet meadows and riverbanks across North America. It is responsible for more deaths than any other wild plant in the continent. Its roots contain cytotoxin, which attacks the central nervous system. Symptoms include violent convulsions and respiratory failure. Even animals avoid it. The ancient Greek philosopher Socrates was executed using a relative of this plant, hemlock tea, a sip of death disguised as nature. Number 8. White snake root, the milk of poison. This plant's toxin does not kill directly, it kills silently through milk. In the 1800s, settlers in the American Midwest began dying mysteriously after drinking milk from cows that had eaten white snake root. The condition became known as milk sickness. Even Abraham Lincoln's mother, Nancy Hanks Lincoln, is believed to have died from it. A simple pasture plant, yet a deadly assassin. Number 9. Castor bean plant, source of Rikin. It is the plant behind one of the world's most famous poisons, Rikin. Castor oil comes from the same plant, but if its seeds are mishandled, they can release a deadly toxin. Rikin is so lethal that even a few milligrams can kill an adult. It's been used in assassinations and biological warfare. A Bulgarian journalist named Georgy Markov was famously murdered with a Rikin pellet injected from an umbrella in 1978, all from a humble-looking garden plant. Number 10. Angel trumpet, the hallucinatory death flower. With its large trumpet-shaped flowers hanging gracefully, Brugmansia looks divine, hence the name angel's trumpet. But inside those petals hide a deadly hallucinogen, scopolamine. In some parts of South America, this compound is used by criminals to erase victims' free will. A person under its influence becomes highly suggestible, able to be robbed and manipulated with no memory afterward. Too much of it, however, leads to delirium, coma, and death. Truly a flower from heaven with roots in hell. So the next time you walk through a forest, admire a garden, or see a beautiful flower, remember, not all of nature's beauty is harmless. Some plants have evolved poisons to protect themselves, and they have perfected the art of killing. From the innocent looking oleander to the terrifying jampi. These plants remind us that danger often hides behind beauty. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you'd like me to cover the most dangerous trees that can kill you instantly, drop a leaf emoji. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because nature's darkest secrets are waiting for you in the next episode.